Hello, what is up guys? Aman from Peso Smart PH here. Quick update lang tayo. So I just saw this article galing sa BusinessWorld and yung San Miguel is magre-redeem na ng isang preferred stock nila which is SMC2G. So fortunately hindi SMC2C. But anyway, masususpend na yung trading ni SMC2G starting on March 15, Monday. So yung reasoning nila behind this is since i-redeem na nga nila itong mga stocks na ito, so it wouldn't really make sense for it to continue to be traded in the open market. So medyo bumaba na din yung stock prices nito since itong kumalat na itong news na ito. Since this news naman was given to the public na. So yung record date ni SMC2G would be on March 18. But yeah, it wouldn't really matter kasi masususpend na nga yan on Monday and until March 30 daw. Possibly masususpend yung trading. And since i-redeem na nga ito ni San Miguel, si SMC2G is mabibili sa mga stockholders sila at 75 pesos per share. So for example, bumili kayo at 78. So that would be around 78,000 pesos kung meron kayong 1,000 shares. Yung maibabalik lang sa inyo na net is 75,000 pesos. By the way, sabi din ni San Miguel, hindi naman daw nila i-retire itong particular preferred stock na ito. And it can still be reissued in the future but I highly doubt that. Medyo marami na rin silang issues ng preferred stocks sa PSE and meron na rin silang dalawang bago, no? Yung J and yung K. And dun nga, nakita nyo naman medyo nag-step down yung yearly yield na binibigay ng mga preferred stocks na yun. And here we are sa page ng PSE Edge. Ito na yung magiging last payment ni San Miguel Corporation SMC2G. So nasa 1.23 pesos per share yan. And since masususpend na ngayon trading on March 15, well, hindi na rin kayo makakabili nitong particular preferred stock na ito, and I wouldn't really advise you to buy this stock since this will be redeemed na. And eto naman yung dividend yield ni SMC2G, no? So nasa 1.61% yan quarterly and then 6.43% annually. And now here we are sa BPI trade since hindi available yung stock info ni SMC2G sa PSE Edge. Yung last traded price niya kanina is nasa 76.70 pesos per share. So yeah, lahat ng mga stocks na yun is mare-redeem na ng company and bibili nila ito for 75 pesos per share. Bakit nga ba nila i-redeem itong particular stock na ito? Well, unang-una, medyo magastos na para sa kanila. If i-continue pa nila itong offering na ito, itong preferred stock na ito, since nasa 5-ish, 6% yung binibigay nitong yield every single year. So parang nagbabayad sila sa loan, kumbaga, no? Sa parang interest yan na binabayad nila sa mga investors nila. So in order to save money, they're gonna redeem this particular stock and then yun, matitigil na yung mga recurring payments na binibigay nila sa mga holders nitong si SMC2G. So basically, they're just freeing up capital. And ito, yung PSE is i-allow na yung mga IPOs ng preferred shares sa mga companies kahit na wala silang common shares na listed sa PSE. Dati kasi isang requirement yun, bago makapag-list ng preferred shares sa PSE, dapat meron kang common shares. So I think this is a very good idea kasi makakapag-raise ng capital yung isang business kung kailangan talaga nila kahit na hindi pa sila masyado kumikita. And maganda rin naman yon sa mga investors kasi mabibigyan sila ng dividends on a consistent basis on a very good dividend yield. By the way, lahat ng mga links sa sources ko is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. I'll see you all on the next one. Always remember, be Peso Smart.